How would Sir Maddie the Knight like some awesome music?
Now that's the kind of noise I can work with, Dad. Come on, Triggs. Now we can really put on a show.
This sounds exciting.
Ladies and gentle knights, welcome to this most epic spectacle. The greatest story as yet untold. The story of Maddie the Knight. A long time ago there was a knight, Sir Maddie, who served the Queen so bravely. Right by her side was her trusty dragon. Triggs was his name.
Oh, wow, that's me!
The Queen sent them out to bring back happiness to the kingdom for everyone. Sir Maddie and Triggs went out to the forest, but found a noisy troll instead of fun. There was a clanging of rattle. It was a big noisy battle. Maddie faced the troll head on, but Triggs was nervous and sang this song. Maddie the Knight, Sir Maddie the Knight, no challenge can get in our way. When together we can do anything, we'll take on the troll and save the day. Soon Sir Maddie learned the troll was friendly and helped in their quest for fun. They worked together and went back to the kingdom, bringing happiness to everyone. There was dancing and singing, thanks to the joy they were bringing. Maddie hugged her new troll friend, and Triggs said,
Let's rock again!
Maddie the Knight, Sir Maddie the Knight, we've had success in our mission. It's amazing what you can accomplish when you really take the time to listen.
Woohoo! Encore, encore!
Thank you, and goodbye. Maybe we could try and remember Tricks.
You kick up dirt when you run.
You splash when you run through a puddle.
You always hug the pillow.
You hug the blanket when we cuddle.
You prefer it when it's dark.
You like it better when it's sunny.
You like to tell a cheesy joke.
And you think a clown is funny.
Wow!
Like bangers and mash. We go great together.
We like different things,
But neither one is better. And that is how it should always be.
because I like you and you like me.
I like a rocket, vroom.
I like the planet Mars.
We are both different, but both play among the stars.
We don't need to like the same thing.
How boring would that be? It's more fun that I like monkeys.
And I like jungle trees.
Wee, wee! Like bangers and mash. We go great together. We like different things,
But neither one is better.
and that is how it should always be.
Because I like you and you like me. Because I like you and you like me. Because I like you and you like me.
Just let me get my glasses. I can't see a thing without them.
You wear glasses too?
Oh, Maddie, I think we found a keeper.
You're white, so you go first. I'll start the clock.
I found a friend on the desert island. We keep each other company. Together's better on a desert island.
It's a beautiful day, let's way. So far away, so far away. Wanna stay all day in this new place.
Rook to queen 5.
Bishop to king 4.
Knight takes bishop.
Queen takes knight.
Queen to rook 6. And check. That means I win, Triggs.
Whoa, I didn't see that coming.
Well, you two certainly seem to be hitting it off.
Maddie's really good, Miss Perkins.
Amanda's teaching me a new move.
Lovely to meet you, Amanda.
They've been having a ball, Mrs. S. They haven't stopped playing once in the entire hour.
I'm so glad to hear that, Miss Perkins. Thanks for looking after her. Well, Maddie, how was your first day at chess club?
It was the best, Mum. I even beat Amanda twice.
Wow, that is impressive.
I beat her 5 times, but I am 3 years older, so...
Listen, it just needs a bit of a haircut. Like Dado.
It's how we keep the tree healthy, Maddie.
Okay. Oh, the bird tree. What's going to happen to all its branches?
That's where you come in. We can take the branches and stems home to make all sorts of things. Now, can you help me sort them into different bundles?
Of course. Thin stems with thin stems?
Exactly. Those will be good to weave into baskets, and the very little ones will make bird roosts.
Whoa! I never knew one tree could give so much.
The tree gives in different ways. Up on top, ducks safely meet. I can build a living fence, and birds peck the stump for grubs to eat. Even though the branches are gone, the willow tree will live on and on. It'll grow back, the roots are strong, the willow tree will live on and on. None of the tree will go to waste. I can weave a hat or doll, rocket, slide, train, anything.
Oh, please, 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 will you make them all?
Even though the branches are gone, the willow tree will live on and on. It'll grow back, the roots are strong, the willow tree will live on and on.
A little tree trim sa-sa
Snoop, snoop.
is good for the tree.
A little tree trim,
sa-sa
snoop, snoop.
gives to others naturally.
Even though the branches are gone, the willow tree will live on and on. It'll grow back, the roots are strong, the willow tree will live on and on. Even though the branches are gone, the willow tree will live on and on. It'll grow back, the roots are strong, the willow tree will live on and on.